Hello friends, today in this video we will learn and write English alphabets with phonic sounds. So let's start video. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. E, egg. F, fish. G, gun. H, gun. H, hat. I, igloo. J, jug. K, kite. L, lamp. M, monkey. N, nut. O, owl. P, parrot. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, tub. U, umbrella. V, van. W, watch. X, box. Y, yak. Z, zoo. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.